Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at AI news. We often have chats we want to keep but don't want cluttering our chat window, so we archive them. This feature is common in platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp, but this feature is now available for your chats with AI as well. OpenAI, the parent company of ChatGPT, has introduced the archive feature, and users can now access it. To archive a chat with ChatGPT, simply go to the Search Chats window, tap on three dots, and select Archive. The feature is currently available on ChatGPT's web and iOS versions. The Android version is set to arrive soon. In a recent post on X, OpenAI announced the new ChatGPT feature, stating, "You can now archive your chats in ChatGPT." The new chat archiving feature in ChatGPT addresses the common user concern of managing clutter in the chat sidebar without permanently deleting conversations. Users can now maintain a clean and organized workspace while preserving the historical record of their interactions. As users explore the chat archiving feature, OpenAI is actively listening to feedback and is prepared to enhance and expand the capabilities of ChatGPT. ChatGPT recently introduced a free-for-all feature. OpenAI has now made the voice chat feature in ChatGPT free for all users, expanding access beyond paying customers. This feature is exclusively available on the ChatGPT mobile app and not on the web version. To use it, locate the headphone icon beside the prompt box in the app, select a voice from the options provided, and enjoy interacting with ChatGPT using your voice. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to AajTak AI.